Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the adjustable overbed table. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. For a general product, the important question is whether it solves a real everyday problem without adding hassle. The key positives are top rated, great value, and easy choice. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying it for the money paid, I'm super disappointed with this product. My simple verdict: the adjustable overbed table looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.